Light microscope. It's the most commonly used microscope in schools. It does not focus on very fine details of the internal structures of cells. It uses a beam of light to illuminate the specimen being studied. A microscope is a delicate and expensive instrument that should be handled with care. A light microscope uses two lenses for a greater magnification, that is, the eyepiece lens, the objective lenses. The total magnification of the specimen viewed under the light microscope will be given by magnification equals eyepiece lens magnification times objective lens magnification. Example, if the eyepiece lens magnification is times 10 and the objective lens magnification power is times 8, then the total magnification of the specimen would be magnification equals eyepiece lens magnification times objective lens magnification. Magnification equals 10 times 8 equals times 80. Parts of a microscope. One limb supports the body tube and the stage. 2 base provides firm and steady support to the microscope. 3 body tube holds the eyepiece and revolving nose piece. 4 coarse adjustment knob raises or lowers the body tube for longer distances to bring the image into sharper focus. 5 fine adjustment knob raises or lowers the body tube through smaller distances to bring the image into sharper focus. 6 diaphragm regulates the amount of light passing through the condenser to the object on the stage. 7 eyepiece lens contributes to the magnification of the specimen under review. 8 objective lens brings image into focus and magnifies it. 9 mirror reflects light through the condenser to the object on the stage. 10 revolving nose piece holds the objective lens in place and enables the change from one objective lens to another. 11 condenser concentrates light on the object on the stage. 12 stage, a flat platform where the specimen on the slide is placed. It has 2 clips to hold the slide into position.